Hey folks, we're gonna fold sheets. Don't worry, it's gonna be a way that will both look good in your linen closet, but not stress you out with trying to get the corners perfect and blah, blah, blah. Trust me. This is not a method that I came up with myself. I learned this from a genius that I used to organize with. She taught it to me, I'm teaching it to you. I actually don't do it as well as she did. She makes it all look super neat and hotel-y. I'm just gonna make it look the way it looks. Bane of our existences, the fitted sheet. I go 1, 3, and then I do this. And then I go meep, morp, merp. You do whatever the heck you want. Put it in a ball, roll it like a burrito. This part actually doesn't matter. Flat sheet. For the flat sheet, I just go across, down, across, down, across, down, until you get something relatively the size of your fitted sheet. And then you take the pillowcase and your little bundle, and just like putting it on a pillow, you put it in there, and then you take it and you fold it. Now, she could do this thing, and she taught it to me, and I'm really sorry I forgot how to do it, but she could do this thing where you tuck it and you make it look like it actually is a throw pillow. I forgot how to do that. I bet you could find a much more fancy version doing that in her pretty house with her pretty sheets. If you don't care about that, this is what I got. Look at this. They're all together. Now, if you're like, no, they're not all together. There's only one pillowcase. We only saw you put one pillowcase. That's true. This is just what I do. We change our pillowcases more often than we change our sheets. You kind of should change your sheets every week, which of course we do. But one thing we actually do, no side eye, is we change our pillowcases every few days. So we have a lot of extra. I have a stack of spare pillowcases in our linen closet. We just fold them, hot dog, hamburger, and keep them here. So every 2-3 days, we switch out the pillowcases and put on another one. And we just keep these in the center because it's just way easier. And this way we're not disturbing a set. So that's it. This is a way to get your sheets, even the fitted ones, folded so that they fit in your linen closet without having to fold a fitted sheet. I hope this helps. I'm using a little anecdote. In 2020, I got super sick with COVID. That's not the amusing part. But I could hear this frustrated grunting coming from another room. And I said, is everyone okay? And my husband said, everything's fine, sweetheart. This is not a big deal. Don't worry about it. I found out later that he and my son had spent 15 minutes trying to get a fitted sheet folded. My whole family, husband and kids, they do their own laundry all the time. Wash, dry, fold. But I guess I'd only ever been the one to fold the fitted sheets. It just happened that way. My husband was just like, how do you do this? How do you fold this thing? This is impossible. So they had to look it up on YouTube. And even then, I guess the video they found, whoever did it, made it look perfect. Like right out of the package, perfect. Which only frustrated them more. So they were just like, it's done. Never let anything with organization or tidying up anything in your house get you to the point where you're like, if you're making that face, you're putting too much emotional effort into it.